Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can restore a previous version of your PDF document in the SwifDoo Editor. So let us guide you through this. Navigate to the SwifDoo Editor, open up your document here in the editor. And let's assume you have already added a couple of changes and edits to your PDF document and now you'd like to restore a past or previous version. To do that, click into the SwifDoo icon in the top left, then navigate to Backup and Recovery here. And provided the backup feature is enabled in your account settings, you will see a couple of backups for your document here in the backup history with the date, with the file size. So choose the document version you would like to restore, confirm, and that is going to restore the backup. And as you can see, that version is different from this one here. So indeed, the backup and the past version has been successfully restored, and that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.